In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add funds to your Stripe account. This process will help you top up your account efficiently and ensure you're ready for any transactions that come your way. Let's dive in and get started with this simple yet crucial task. First things first, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you might want to consider doing so for quick access in the future. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top corner of the page. You'll find the sign in button prominently displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to start the login process. Now you should be on the login page. Carefully enter your email address and password. After doing so, click on the sign in button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I highly recommend for security, make sure to complete that step by entering the additional code sent to your device. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. From your dashboard, find your way to the home section if you're not already there. This is essentially your control panel where you can manage and monitor all your Stripe related activities. Here, you'll want to locate the transactions button. When you find it, give it a click, as this is where you can manage your payments and funding options. Next, look for the create payment option. This button is your gateway to manually adding funds to your account, among other things. Once clicked, a new menu will appear, giving you a few options for how to proceed. Here, select Manual Payment. This will lead you to a new screen dedicated to processing specific funding actions. When prompted, make sure to choose one time as your payment frequency. This ensures you're simply adding funds one time and not setting up a recurring payment. Now it's time to decide how much money you want to add to your account. Enter the desired amount into the provided field. It's always a good idea to double check this amount to avoid any mistakes. After you've entered the amount, you're asked to fill in a statement descriptor. This step is crucial because it helps you identify this particular transaction later, should you need to. Once that's done, the next step is to input your card details. Enter the card number you wish to use, ensuring accuracy to avoid any hitches in the process. Finally, with all the necessary fields completed, it's time to complete the transaction. Go ahead and click on Submit Payment. If everything is in order, you'll receive a confirmation indicating your funds have been successfully added to your Stripe account. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to adding funds to your Stripe account. This method ensures that your account remains funded and ready for all your business needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.